Asuntoskehtiö Jyväskylän Väinönhelmi.
Yes, today is 10th of August 2021. And we think this might be the last that were built without many doors to Otis, Otis 2000 in Jyväskylä.
Yeah.
At least here. It's in Keski-Suomi, Mielestä Finland, and the address is Väinönkatu 38, there we see. There's also this thing is AMB here, I can get to later.
Yeah.
It's built in early 1999, so 20 years old in 2009. The serial number is V1 and E2458, capacity is 4 person 325 grams, and we expect in 2023. We started my base recording now. This is amazing.
Yeah.
This could be like January 1999.
Yeah.
But I have also seen one from 1999 in Tampere, in Kaleva, Kaleva Rinne. There's one.
Yeah.
But this is Jyväskylä, it's for the last ones.
Yeah.
And then of course we have to compare the serial numbers. But with this and the one in Tampere.
Yeah.
So we can see if there's a difference, how big it is.
Yeah.
I mean, the last ones in a new built house.
Yeah.
This is what it's about. That still got no indoors.
Yeah. Expected documents, but made in both, so no risk practice.
Yeah. Someone coming.
Mm.
Somebody is the stairs.
Yeah.
I think you can press.
Yeah.
There's things A and B next time.
Yeah.
Because now we have to go to from Väinönkatu
Yeah.
for a while. Like we look close to the
We started.
Yeah, we started here.
That's